Hello friends, welcome back to my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends we are going to talk about guys how can we connect earbud with our phone. Guys we have got this earbud and guys you want to connect with your phone. So friends, how can you connect? In this video friends I will show you. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon and like my video. So when we will on our phone setting to connect our earbud. Scroll it friends, you can see this type of setting. So friends you will have to click on guys your connection settings and guys click on your phone bluetooth setting. First of all guys we will take out our earbuds. So you want to connect one guys, you want to connect both of earbuds, so I take out your both of earbud and guys now we will on our phone bluetooth. Guys you want to on, you want to turn off, you can off from here your bluetooth setting. So as we will have to wait here, then guys you can see your earbud name. So I have this TWS, I will tap here to connect. Friends you can see this notification guys, click here to connect, then it will connect active. So is now you can use your earbud with your phone guys. You want to listen song, you want to watch movie, you can use your earbud. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video. Bye friends.